Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to enable the grid for your iPhone camera. So as you can see on my camera, it's just a open canvas, and what we want to do is we want to enable that grid so you can take better pictures or for whatever your uses are. So go ahead and make your way to settings, and then just scroll down until you find the camera app. Tap on that to open it up. It's going to open up all your camera settings. Under composition, you should see the grid option. By default, it's disabled. Just tap the button to enable it, and it'll slide it to the right and appear green as so. From there, it automatically saves, and you can make your way to your camera, and you'll see that your grid has been enabled. And you can see the 3x3 grid, but it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.